today I'm just in Fuzhou e-bike in Fuzhou in China. So today I'm gonna show you guys what is the e-bike good battery, good brands, and the best price to get it, and which company you should to get it. So in front of me here, they have like a small e-bike. This bike is like for one person. They have a basket in front and definitely for one person only, and the price is like 3,100 RMB to 4,000 RMB, and the brake is like good like a bicycle, but it's not so strong enough, and the battery is like 3 to 4 battery only. It's not super powerful, especially for one person it's okay, but for two persons it's not so strong at all. And the seat is absolutely is so small. It's really small seat. It's not comfortable for two people on this bike. It's not powerful enough. So now I talk about big bike instead. This bike is for two persons. It's like stronger. The battery is like 6 battery. It's powerful enough for two person. This bike is similar my our bike, and the price is like 3,500 to 4,500.
Big seat, 2 people. It's comfortable. It has these flaps.
Yeah, this one for my feet to put inside.
You got a big box here. It's quite big. You can fit like anything you need, really.
Yeah.
And the seat opens up. There's quite a lot of space in there too. It's fast and it's powerful. 6 batteries. It goes for about, when we bought it, they said like 70 kilometers without having to charge it. 70 kilometers. I don't know. It goes for like really fast.
Completely full.
You can put charger, cap, raincoat, tissue. Like it's a lot of space. You can put whatever you want to put.
And the wheel is quite good.
Yeah. The wheels are good. The brakes are really good, which is important if you're worried about being safe. They're really good. Indicators. The horn is good. Works well. Lights on the front, the back. Everything that you want. It's got 2 gears. So I always use it on 2, the strongest. You can go fast. Which is good. And it even has like a lock. I've got it locked right now. You can unlock it. Yeah. Shows you how far you've been. We've been further than that, but it reset the clock about 400. When it got to like 400 kilometers, it reset. So we've gone about 2,200 kilometers. Still runs very well.
And this one, gear 1.
Gear 1, and you press this one for gear 2, and then it will just go faster.
Okay, so
Faster
number 2 is faster.
Yeah, and this one, like indicator on the back, it works. You can see, right? Indicator, all indicators work.
And the light?
The light, so right now we got it on, put it off.
Yeah, it's still blue light coming, so it's like more safety place. Yeah. Can you open this box? This one. How to see big it is?
A lot of space, quite big.
Oh, it's quite big. This bike is really strong. Even you go up to the hill, it's still strong enough for 2 person without you get off the bike. It's really good, and the price almost the same. It's like 1,000 RMB different only. It's really good. If you guys stay here for a while, I recommend you guys to get the big bike than the small bike. So now I'm talking about company. What company you should get the e-bike, and which brand good, strong, powerful, enough, and the price is good value. Neo brand e-bike. Neo is quite good company. It's like the most strong power bike so far I see, but it's not so much selection. It's so small for one person, but for 2 person it's not worth it to get this e-bike. Quite expensive more than another company. And you can download the app. You can see how many kilometers. Neo is a good company if you don't care about the price and just want a strong e-bike.
Yadea is a really good company if you're trying to buy an e-bike. They sell good quality bikes at a good price. It's better than Neo, I would say, because you get good quality and good value, whereas Neo is just expensive and they're not necessarily much better than any other bike. Normally, when you buy a bike, they will give you a lock and a helmet for free, and you would have to register your bike. Sometimes they can do that for you. Sometimes you might want to get a Chinese friend or your employer to help you. But if you don't do that, it's a little bit risky, but we haven't done it and we've been fine. There are a ton of bikes in China and bike stores, so take a test drive if you want to, and they'll be happy to let you take any bike for a spin. See if it's something that you really want, and if you're happy with it, then you can buy it.
If you don't care about the brand, so many bike and so many different company, it's up to you guys. And some store they have like the bike battery to exchange it, so you just give the battery bike, they can change for you, charge for you. Down you charge your bike by yourself. So all the company is different way and good. So now I'm talk about second-hand bike. Second-hand bike is good if you stay here for a couple months because the price from 500 RMB to 2000 RMB only. But if you stay here for long term, it's not worth it. But they have the driver license already. You don't have to register it. It's more easy for you guys, but not as strong as the new one. But it's worth it if you stay here for a couple months only. Cheap and you can explore the city without pay the full price.
So now we want to tell you a little bit about how to park your e-bike and charge it.
This parking bike here is our apartment. They have security for 24 hours and can charge the bike at the wall, just plug it. But you have to pay for 4 hours 1 kuai or 8 hours for 2 kuais.
You can park pretty much anywhere outside of a store, outside of a restaurant, a club, and it's pretty safe. You can always lock it if you want to be extra careful.
But some place is not public to park your bike, but it's really easy to find the park. And this place here have security to park your bike, and you just pay 1 kuai for up to the time he need to go home. And he take care your bike very well. You don't have to scared to lose the bike, and you can pay with cash 1 kuai, or you can pay with WeCharge for 1 kuai. And I hope this video is useful for you guys need to know about e-bike in Fuzhou or in China. And thank you so much guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.